Hello and welcome to Brotato. We're just gonna jump right in. We'll do the red, well-rounded motherfucker with a shotgun on Danger Level 4. Been a little while since I played some Brotato. It was very popular, surprisingly. I really do enjoy this game, but I've been having so many other games in between Road Warden and songs. But I figured, got some free time, and I wanted to record some. So we're gonna start out with, of course, our luck boosted. Fuck these guns. I don't really like the revolver. Usually we'll go for something like that. And we'll do this early because if we find an explosive weapon, pretty happy for later. If you're unfamiliar with Brotato, you'll learn quickly. You've got 6 Brotato hands to shoot Brotato guns at little alien fuckers. And you're trying to collect all their DNA while you destroy trees. Pretty simple game. These are things that normal people understand. We'll do another 5 luck. And I like lifesteal more than that, so we'll do that. Oh, I'm a fool. We'll lock it for next time, whatever. We need more DPS anyways. So the goal is to get as much DPS and luck early to maximize money. But obviously getting that would have helped us save some. Should be like a green guy, chock full of green stuff coming out soon. Hopefully we can kill him. I don't think he's coming though. Don't look like it. Fertilizer. Yeah, we'll take that. We're not using melee. And we don't need dodge, so we'll take this too. Rage damage, of course. Coupon. We'll get this because it'll give us some more money. And we'd really like to get a new gun. We'll do one more chance. Alright, fuck it. I like to get the bag. Maybe controversial. I have my own strats. I find that the bag pays for itself after 2. It's worth it. If it's higher than 2. Or more than like 3. So like, oh, we didn't get it there. But with our luck getting higher, we'll get more crates soon. I just also realized that this is the meme history culture music in the background, I think. Pretty sure that's what this is. Yes, we'll take that. We will take this as it is beneficial. We'll take a laser gun. We really need guts. Yes, we'll take that. We'll take this because it's whatever we can get at this point. Anything we can use to damage people. And I'm gonna start to get real sweaty here as I try to maximize my points. There we go, yeah. In the first video I didn't even have the music on because when I played normally, I just for some reason turned it off. So the whole first video is just silence in the background. And gunshots. Attack speed, awesome. Our harvesting is good enough that I don't care. And we'll combine these two. Oh, sharp bullets. Projectiles pierce through an additional target. Yes, and that, yes. Let's see. That does go through an additional target. I hope so, at least. It looks like it is. If we get another one of those, we're just gonna start steamrolling. Yeah. I'm liking this DPS now. Question is, what's our range at? Because we're gonna need some good range to fight that demon. He's coming in like 3 waves from now. Come on, give me this. So close. I want to be at like 200. Or close. Yes. So if you're unfamiliar, harvesting grows each time, so there's like a chance that you get more each time. We'll do flat damage because we lost some. We'll reroll. Why don't we recycle this and get that, and then 8%, 8 engineering, 8. Your speed is capped at its current value. No, that's terrible. We'll do that. I always like things that give you like passive benefits. So like elemental damage plus like lifesteal with fire spread and stuff. And explosive damage. All sets to just like go downhill from there for the enemies. But I definitely play like glass cannon builds. Never getting higher health than like what my base health is. Come here. Oh, we killed that little green guy. I was like, come here, you little green fucker. There's like a guy that carries a bunch of stuff in his mouth. He gives you a bunch of points. Or DNA. I have no clue what these green blobs are. Awesome, we get a ton. 8 damage, special enemies, that's fine. Or 8% damage. We'll get this one. We need some more lifesteal. And attack speed is obviously important. We're going to recycle that and get that. Gentle alien. And we'll get another tentacle because that's going to boost our critical. I always like this hat too, and we'll save some money for next round. So we're doing pretty decent damage, although our health is not up there. Oh shit. That was those special enemies, so that's what that was. I was like, what the hell was that? No, these are the normal enemies. We just got ambushed from our bait that we took. It's worth it though. And we have that thing making some fruit for us, so. These guys with the spiky helmets are the ones to watch out for. Everyone else is pretty light in comparison. Oh shit! Yeah, see what I'm talking about? Basically almost killed me. Get away from me. They like charge into you. Stay away! We need fire spread. We'll do a reroll for the first time. We'll get some luck. Yeah. 25% chance, yes. I forget what most of these do, so if I reread them, that's why. This shoots flames, but they do burning damage. Yeah, we'll just get that anyways. More trees, and yeah, go to the next wave. Saving a little bit of cash. If you can kill the whole group of them like before they really spawn, that's a good sign in my opinion. That's the goal at least. We're getting pretty close to not being able to do it though. We have not gotten a single crate, so me buying that crate thing option earlier was not paying off dividends like I expected. Oh, come on. We need that DPS upgrade. I think it's because we got the spiked sharp bullets or whatever though. That's the only reason why we're getting through these guys. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pretty decent. Pretty decent haul. Hawk Factory. Killing a tree spawns a turret. Yes, of course. That sounds awesome. We'll do that, and we could use with some max HP, because we don't have much. 33% chance to gain 1 material when killing an enemy with a crit hit. Yes. That. This guy. We'll do this. That one. We're just gonna start buying shit like crazy. Get another flamethrower. And we'll call it a wrap for this round. Yeah, holy shit. So hopefully we can get more trees to spawn. With our luck, that will make more turns. So we'll get that right there. Oh, it's randomly spawned too. I like that. We might focus on getting some engineering drops too. I want to win level 4 and be the best Brotato who ever Brotatoed. Oh shit, as we were about to die. At a certain point you can't even see your character though. It just becomes lost in the Brotato. Lost in the sauce. Those mashed potatoes. Come on, get all those points. Yeah. Got that invincibility. No, that is not happening. We will do 9% speed. 50% chance to get 5. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll get some of that in there. No, we can't do that. We'll get another one of these though. And yes, of course. Get that. Try to keep our DPS just fucking to the roof right now. Especially for these fuckers that are coming at me. We need more tree upgrades. Those little guys with their like bones wrapped around them are the most dangerous of enemies that I know of in this game, so you'll see me like beeline towards them. Because I'm trying to kill them before they cluster up too much. While dodging all these little red shots that are coming at me. Which I notoriously always miss. I feel like I walk right into them half the time. Damn, that turn upgrade is really helpful. I can genuinely see them like actively make a difference. Alright, we do not need that. Some more attack speed? Or lifesteal? Lifesteal. Critical chits, yes. We've got it, baby. Pretty sure, yeah. So they have a 20% chance to explode. For melee damage, I think. We want this one next. Maybe with the beard. Because that will shoot more bullets out. Pretty sure this is like a boss round, but I don't think we have to kill the boss. I think we just have to survive. That's my mistake last time. I just tried to straight up kill his ass. Oh no, this isn't. This is like a fucking super round though. Get away from me, you freaks. Ah! We're not pumping out enough damage. Oh shit, just fucking framed out right there. Oh my god. It's getting real framey. Gonna need a new fucking computer after this playing fucking Brotato. If you didn't know, I play on a fucking toaster. And I record with a toaster. Yes. The frames. Alright, there we go. 3 range damage, of course. We'll take that. Plastic explosives, of course. We'll lock that. The fact that they limit you to 3 of them makes me think it's always like a useful upgrade. So we're just fucking stealing points, stealing health, ripping people apart. What we need though is range, really. Because we've got no range. And we gotta get up close on these guys to do damage to them. like this. And they get their little knives in there. Get away from me. Yeah, give me some more turns. Our crates have definitely paid for themselves now. I'm wondering if the turns are just regular average turns. It'd be cool if they were random. BOP though. Awesome. Another turn. Take that, of course. Do a reroll. Engineering, yes. Get that. Coupon. We'll add a turn to our roster. No, we don't need that. May as well take this. And we'll do that to level out our armor. Do that. Level wave 14. We need range. We need some range. Home on the range. If I keep the enemies down, the frames will be safe. I have to be the hero. Oh my god, those guys did a lot of damage. We might not survive this round, my friends. This may be the end of old Fiend. Of good old Brotato Fiend. No. 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 Not like this. We only have like 30 health in the first place, and we're taking like 17 damage. No! We didn't have any health. Of course, like I said, the last cannon run. Hope you all enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next Brotato run. Goodbye.